Hello everyone, I welcome you all in our another DS session where we will be solving a new DSA problem in C++. If you haven't checked our playlist, the playlist is ready. I will be uploading all the DSA questions here so you can check out. So let's start our today's DSA session by saying Har Har Mahadev. So our today's problem is Leetcode 16, 3 sum closest. So let's read out our question so you will be getting it more clear. You are given an integer array nums of length n and an integer target. Find three integer in nums as such that the sum is closest to target. That means we are said to find three integers in an array nums such that their closest value will give us a target value or equal to target value. So we have to assume that there will be always a unique solution for our each input. Let's check out example so you will be getting it more clear. Here in our example 1 we are given an input array nums as -1 2 1 4. Here there are four vectors: 0 vector, 1 vector, 2 vector, 3 vector, and we are given a target value. We have to choose only three integers from this array, and we have to add them in such a way that it should be closer to our target value. Let's take it sequence wise and check it is getting us a value closer to our target value or not. So we will be taking all the possible combination. Let's take start from first. If we take -1 2 and 1, and if we add these possibilities, then we'll be getting value as 2. This is our first possibility. If we take -1 2 and -4, we'll be getting an outcome of -3, which is our second outcome. And if you take 2 1 and -4, we are getting an output of -1. Out of 2 -3 and 1, the closest one is 2. So here our output is 2. For in our second example, we are given an nums of array as 0 0 0, and we are given a target value 1. If we add all this 0 0 0, we are getting a value of 0. Therefore, and there is no other possibility. Therefore, we have written our output as 0. So let's write our code so you will be getting it more clear. Initially, we will be sorting our array. Let's write a sort statement for our array from beginning to end. Now, after sorting our array, we will be initializing two variables which are closest sum and mean difference. Closest sum, we will be calling it later to print our output, and we will be initializing mean difference to our maximum integer value. We will be using their values to track our closest sum and minimum difference between sum of array and target value. Now we will be starting a for loop. Inside for loop, we will be initializing I at 0th position, and we will be providing it a range till our size of array. We will be providing its range till our array size -2, because there should be two elements left in our array. Till that, we will be incrementing our I, and if there are no elements in our array, then we will be simply returning 0, which is closest sum. Now, inside this for loop, we will be initializing our left and right pointers. Uh, Left pointer, we will be initializing it from our starting position, and right pointer, we will be initializing it from our end of array. Now, we will be writing a while loop for our pointers while our left pointer is smaller than our right pointer. We will be initializing two variables which are int of current sum, which is equal to our nums of I plus nums of left and nums of right. Then we will be initializing one more element, one more variable, which is difference, which is the absolute difference between our current sum and our target value. Minus target value. Then we will be writing some if statement for our while loop. If our while loop, if our difference is smaller than our mean difference, inside which we will be checking that if our mean difference is equal to our difference and our closest sum is equal to our current sum, and we will be writing a else if statement inside which we will be checking our current element, current sum is smaller than our target value. Then we will be incrementing our left element, and else we will be incrementing our right value. Else we will be decrementing our right value. Now we have written our code. Let's write a return statement for our code. Simply we have to return closest sum. So let's run our program. We are getting a compiler error at line number 13, but we have written it correct. So let's check. Here we have not initialized our while loop inside our for loop. So let's initialize it. Now again we will be checking it. Yes, our code is accepted for all the two cases. We will be submitting it.